Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Live Trading Action by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is June 13, 2016. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in today. All right, so today we all heard the big merger announcement, LinkedIn being bought out by Microsoft. If you take a look at LinkedIn shares today, the stock is up sizably, trading around the 193 level. I think the buyout was for 196. So all in all, there's not much really to do here with LinkedIn. But when you take a look at Microsoft, that is a stock that could give us some opportunities in the near-term future as a buy area. So first off the bat, the stock has rebounded quite nicely from gapping down this morning, sold off a little bit at the open, and now it has rebounded back up. But when we look at a bigger time frame chart, more along the lines of a weekly chart, we see this level right down here, just below the $48 area. I'm going to say 47.60. 47.75, and what I see there is this matches up with the breakout move. And what you're going to see here is the stock traded along these levels. Here was the last prior pivot before the breakout, and then boom, stock went a lot higher. And this tells you this is where the big institutions got involved in the name. So they were buying, and here's where they did the ultra buy. So when the stock gets back down to this level, this is where the institutions will defend the name again. So again, if you're looking to get into Microsoft, I wouldn't be buying it today, although it has had a great bounce from the opening bell. But what I would be waiting for is the stock to get down below $48, and that's when you can initiate a buy level on this one to the upside. And where could it go? Probably just 53, 54. There seems to be a ton of resistance there, but this is where you get your opportunity. Right now, what I think would happen with the stock, even today moving off the lows, it'll travel and trade around, but it's not going to have any kind of real institutional sponsorship until you get down here. Once you get down to this 47.50, 47.60 level, that's where the institutions will come in. That's where they'll generally defend the name, and that's where you could trade it up to 53, 54. You can make 5-6 points there pretty easily. Right now, the stock's kind of in no man's land, trying to digest the news. You'll get a little bit of an up move, a little bit of a down move. All in all, the stock is down about $1.05 at the moment. Was down more earlier, but either way, wait for it to get here to this level. This will be your buying opportunity. And again, if you want to trade this and other equities alongside of us, come on over, take a 7-day free trial to our research center. You'll get all of our chart setups. You'll get all of our free content. You'll also get our cycle work as well as our No Hype Live broadcasts, which we hold twice a week. That allows members to come in, ask us questions about anything market related, and we do that on Thursdays and Sunday evenings. So again, if you want to come over and trade alongside of us, take that 7-day free trial to the research center. With that being said, everybody, have a great trading day, and we will see you on the charts.